alone, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, if it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal love, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky and let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out, there's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small, standing on my feet. Just a speck of life, so discreet. Nothing really matters, it's a deceit. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss